In this era of 1897, people only know the atom is nothing but the dough of positive and negative charges, and positive charges is heavier than negative charges after performing this experiment. Now the story move to that time, the discovery of radioactivity emitted ray. Emits ray. The radioactivity emits ray. That time they knows the Greek alphabets. The first is alpha, beta, and gamma. Because that time people find if something which is emits the alpha, beta, and gamma ray, and if you put this ray inside the electrically charged plate and apply the electrically charged plate, here is negative charge and here is positive charge, then this alpha particle which emits from the or decayed from the atom, which is attracted towards the negative plate, and beta particle which is attracted towards the positive plate, and gamma which is not deflected anyone, which just pass through this electric field. That means this alpha particle is electrically positive because which is attracted to negative plate, and this beta particle which is electrically negative because it is attracted to positive plate, and gamma has the no charge. So at the era of 1911, Ernst Rutherford come with an idea. He used the boron radium, which is well known for emitting the positively charged or positively alpha particle. So use this particle radium boron, so it emits alpha particle like this, and he use here is a detector to detect how many alpha particles is emitted from the radium and boron and how many alpha particles are detected by the detector. So he find the number of particles, alpha particles, are emitted from this substance is exactly equal to the number of particles detected by the detector. And he used a small thin gold foil. After putting the small and thin gold foil, he again count how many number of alpha particle emitted from this source and how many alpha particle is received by the detector, which is exactly same. There is nothing change. But two of his students, the Geiger and Marsden, he moved this detector from this point to this point. And he used here, here, and everywhere up to here. And when the detector come here, they found there is a small amount of alpha particle which is detected by the detector only in the presence of gold foil. If the gold foil is removed, then the detector does not detect any alpha particle. Okay. So what is that particle? After putting the gold foil and detector, the position of the detector is changed. So detector is receive a little or small amount of alpha particle. Here the very large amount of alpha particle received. Here very small amount of alpha particle received. Why it is happening? Because the gold foil is nothing but a gold atom. So he conclude that, Rutherford, he conclude that there is something solid inside the atom, and electron which is revolving around the solid which is inside the atom, that solid is positively charged, or this is called as nucleus. That nucleus consists of the density of large number of density of positively charged, because alpha particle it is a positive, and because of that positive it get repelled from this solid part of this gold foil, that nothing but a positively charged, and it is repelled this positive charge to this detector. But maximum number of alpha particles are passes through the foil, gold foil. That means the maximum number of alpha particle are passes from this empty space of this atom, like this, but which is collides with the nucleus, that is only come back, and rest of the alpha particle are passes from the empty space of the atom. Keep it in mind, this electron is very small to give any effect on the alpha particle, so that is why electron is negligible to attract the alpha particle, because alpha particle is highly positively charged. So here is the detector, which is the alpha particles are collides with the nucleus and come back with the some acceleration, and which is attracted which is catched by the detector, and maximum number of alpha particle which is catched by the detector, which is passed from the empty space of the atom. And electron is too small to have any effect on the alpha particle. Okay. So this is the detector, and this is also detector. So that means people knows, or the Rutherford idea is, the atom consists of center nucleus which is highly dense, and electron which is revolving around the nucleus. So up to now people don't know nucleus consists of neutron or not. In 1932 Chadwick gives an idea about neutron. So here this model of electron atom, the people only knows the electrons which is revolving around the nucleus, and nucleus consists of large number of proton. The number of proton is equal to the number of electron, and the mass of atom is due to the mass of proton which is occupied in the center of the nucleus. That means whole mass which is concentrated on the density of charged particle, positively charged particle, which is exists inside the or center of the atom. So as the atom consists of nucleus and at the center, and electron having the revolving around the nucleus, as like earth is revolving around the sun, so electron as like the same model, electron also revolving around the nucleus. So once the electron is revolving around the nucleus, that means it has the centripetal acceleration, because it always changes direction. So accelerating electron is emitting the radiation. So if it is emitting the radiation, that means the electron is lost its energy, and because of its centripetal acceleration, electron is lost its energy, because electron is change always direction, motion. So why not, the question arises, why not electron is spiral or fall into the nucleus? Because electron is always radiating its energy. So after radiating its energy, electron must fall inside the or into the nucleus, and once this electron fall inside the nucleus, that means the atom is destroyed. If the atom is destroyed, that means there is no existence of atom. No existence of atom means we are also not exist. So two questions. Number one, why electron is not fall inside the nucleus? And number two, If the proton is a large number of positive charge, or the number of positive charge exist in the nucleus, then why not this positive charge is repelled? If this positive charge come closer, we know the same or like charges are repelled, but here the like charges are not repelled. So these two questions is a very big challenge in front of the scientist. First one is why electron not spiral and fall inside the nucleus, and why inside the nucleus the number of proton which is exist, because proton have the positive charge and positive charge must repel. If the positive charge is repelled, that means there is a no concentrated charge or density of charge particle inside the nucleus. That means if it is inside the nucleus, it is destroyed, that means atom is totally destroyed. And if the atom is destroyed, that means no atom is exist in the universe. But it is not happened. The atom is exist inside in the universe. So let me explain this thing.